Welcome to today's video on probability theory. Probability theory is a branch of mathematics that deals with analyzing random events and quantifying the likelihood of outcomes. It forms the foundation of statistics, data science, machine learning, and countless real-world applications. At its core, probability is expressed as a number between 0 and 1. 0 means an event is impossible, and 1 means it is certain. For example, flipping a fair coin gives you a probability of 0.5 for landing on heads. There are three major approaches to understanding probability. The classical approach assumes all outcomes are equally likely. The frequentist approach defines probability based on how often an event occurs over many repeated trials. And the Bayesian approach treats probability as a degree of belief, updating predictions as new information becomes available. A key concept is the sample space, which is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Events are subsets of this sample space, and probability rules help us calculate how likely those events are. Two fundamental rules govern probability. The addition rule helps calculate the probability of either one event or another occurring. The multiplication rule helps calculate the probability of two events both occurring, which depends on whether those events are independent or dependent. Conditional probability is the likelihood of an event occurring given that another event has already happened. This leads directly to Bayes' theorem, a powerful formula that allows us to update the probability of a hypothesis based on new evidence. It is widely used today in artificial intelligence, medical diagnosis, and spam filtering. Random variables, both discrete and continuous, allow us to assign numerical values to outcomes. From these come probability distributions like the binomial distribution and the normal distribution, which is that famous bell curve shape seen across nature and data. Expected value tells us the average outcome we can expect over many trials, while variance and standard deviation measure how spread out those outcomes are. Today, probability theory underpins modern fields including finance, quantum mechanics, genetics, and deep learning. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.